If you want to call or set up the voicemail on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, all you need to do is go to the phone app, and then you need to tap on the dial keypad icon here, this button, in order to be able to dial a number. But we don't have to dial a number. What we can do is speed dial the voicemail, and to do so we need to press and hold number 1. So if you do this, you should be able to dial the voicemail. In my case, I also have to select my SIM card, but essentially this is how we can call the voicemail and also set it up. Now, in case the voicemail doesn't work for you, if you cannot call the voicemail, this might be due to the incorrect voicemail number being set up in the settings. Therefore, you can tap on these 3 dots in the top right corner and you can go to settings, and then here we can choose voicemail. In my case, I also have to choose my SIM card again. Then we can go to advanced settings, and here we have the voicemail number, which we can set up. Of course, in order to find the voicemail number, in order to know what number you need to enter over here, you need to either contact your carrier or service provider, or just Google it. Try to find the voicemail number of your service provider. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!